Charter Media brought in the Brand Ascension Group for a variety of reasons, but at the core, it was to help us define exactly what we stand for internally to each other inside of Charter Media, and of course, just as importantly, what we stand for in the communities we serve, to our clients, to our associates and their families, and of course to the community at large. Now, that's saying a lot. I'm in the media world. You might think, well, we're out there selling media. That's what we do. Well, of course, through this process, we were able to understand better that we're much more than that. What we're doing is we're providing business to our clients. We're providing people that go in and shop at their businesses. That's a lot to do. And to do that, we have to understand exactly what competitive advantages we have and don't have when we're out talking to our customers. The Brand Ascension Group helped us define that. Through this process, we were able to start and really look at ourselves before we decided exactly what we'd be in the community. Through the brand DNA process, we were able to cull our brand platform, a very important part of moving forward with this organization. That led to some of the great experiences we've been having in the last couple months in shaping the future of Charter Media. Well, I'd like to go ahead and share 3 C's: chemistry, care, and competency. You know, we did quite an exhaustive search because this was very important to my senior team. Nothing can be more important than charting your brand and where it's going to look in the next 2 to 4 years. To do that, we brought in a number of firms. What I was touched on immediately by the Brand Ascension Group was the chemistry that my senior team developed with theirs. Chemistry is very important because during this entire process, they're reaching out to the field, they're reaching out to your customers, they're getting to understand your business from the inside out. So the chemistry they have with the people that they're working with is vital. Then I talk about the care. Remember, the task force I've spoken about, these are people that have full-time day jobs. So they've already been burdened because they're people that have been so good in our organization with being asked to do more. The Brand Ascension Group understood this very well. They were very, very understanding of our time, understanding of the efforts that the people were putting in, so their prep work on the front side and the crispness with which we got through our meetings with the agendas was very important to me. Lastly, I say competence. And when I say competence, I mean you need to be working with somebody that you know is going to be there, not just through the beginnings of this process, but now during the operational part of this process. They have been a partner to us. They continue to show their competence and understanding that the hard work is yet ahead of us. A lot of heavy lifting needs to be done to understand how to operationalize what we've been able to learn during our deep dive. They understand this, they're being a true partner to us, and that kind of competency doesn't come every day. The Brand Diagnostic and Recommendations Report was the first chance for me to get the serious ahas through this process. Sure, we had talked as a task force about some of the things we believe we stood for, but the diagnostic work, that was a deeper dive indeed. Now they were out talking to our clients, they were out talking to a much larger group of our associates. It was time to check some of our early thoughts and our early recommendations against a wider, most important audience. Through that, a lot of learnings. Through that came some of the things that we do stand for, some of the things that the clients believe that our media represents that maybe others don't. More importantly, what do our people represent that others don't? It was a first chance to get some of the sensories, some of the ideas of what our brand looks like, what it feels like, what it tastes like. For me, that diagnostic work was the most important work we've done because that is setting the stage for all of our associates to begin the work of strengthening our brand and ultimately communicating that to each other and to our clients. Now we're beginning the work of operationalizing the brand DNA process. And believe me, we've learned that it's more than a logo, it's more than letterhead. In fact, when one of the things that surfaces during the deep dive is that you want to have legendary customer service, well, you've got a lot of work in front of you. And that's what our Brand DNA Task Force is learning now. First, we went ahead and broadened the task force so that we had a couple of people, 3 or 4 maybe, from every single part of our company, so that they could come together and begin to set out timelines and specific tasks that we're going to do over the next 12 to 18 months. See, this process is not turned around in a month. This has got to be part of our living it every day. It's got to be part of our DNA. We're operationalizing in many ways, from the look and feel of our offices to the look and feel of the materials that we put in front of those customers. Consistent, grounded in exactly what we believe we stand for and what we want to stand for in differentiating ourselves from our competitors moving forward.